Hi friends, Lee Bricky here, and today we're back in Avenir at Avondale by DiVosta Homes. And this is a great community, and it is the best value in Avenir. You can get a home in here under $1 million very easily. And another thing is that they just got rid of the CDD bond, which will save you thousands on your taxes every year. So it's a great community. They're working on the other entrants that come into Avenir right now. So that's gonna make life a lot easier on getting in and out of the community, not just one way in, which right now is North Lake Boulevard. So that's another thing that's coming. And they have the beautiful town center being built right now. So this is a great time to come into this community because there are move-in ready homes, and we're gonna learn all about that from Alex. And then we're gonna walk this house and show you everything that makes a DiVosta home special, because Pulte, in my opinion, is one of the best builders out there with the best warranty. So let's go talk to Alex. So I'm here today with Alex at Avondale and DiVosta. Thanks for meeting with me, man.
Thank you, Lee.
And he's going to tell us everything that's going on here in the community and what makes it special and how you can get into this community if you feel like it fits your family and your needs. So getting started, what makes this community, this DiVosta community, different here in Avenir?
Well, Avondale by DiVosta has been here since July of 22. We have 391 homes that we're selling on site. We have Classic Series and we have Estate Series. All that really means is our price ranges anywhere from the 700s all the way up to $1 million, $1.1 million, $1.2 million, depending on options and upgrades. By far the best value in all of Avenir. So if you're comparing and trying to find the best bang for your buck, let's say, right, this would be it. And as far as the finishes of the home, there are a lot of things that are included here that are usually upgrades in most of our other communities. So this is the luxury arm for our parent company, Pulte Homes. So when you're talking DiVosta, you're talking tall ceilings, you're talking impact glass windows, you're talking kitchen appliances, all the things that you would want in a home already included in the price.
Okay.
Yes.
Coffered ceilings.
Yes, coffer ceilings, both in the living space and in the master bedroom, but also not only that, but things like impact glass windows, like I said, kitchen appliances. It is a gas community, so you have tankless water heaters, you have a gas cooktop, right? And you have a gas dryer for your washer and dryer as well.
Right.
Yeah.
And the modeling we're in right now is what?
This is the Stellar model.
Okay.
By far one of our most popular models really throughout the state of Florida.
And one of the great things about this model is the sliders, because
Absolutely.
they have the corner sliders,
Oh,
and it's
yes.
actually beautiful when you open up, and they pocket back, which is really super nice.
It's
So
definitely a wow factor.
it just
that's for sure.
goes away.
People love it.
So how many homes have you sold so far?
So out here we've sold 219 homes to date,
Okay.
which is a little faster than what we anticipated for the community, quite frankly. But again, since we're such a great value as far as our price point, more and more people are starting to discover us and taking advantage of that.
Great. And then where are we starting as far as models go? How many models do we have?
So we have 11 different floor plans.
Okay.
Really just anything for anyone, really, from one-story homes with 2,000 square feet all the way up to a two-story home with 3,400 square feet under air.
Okay.
Yeah.
And lots?
Lot sizes anywhere from, I would say, 50 by 130 all the way to 70 by 130 or larger. So all of these home sites can fit a pool comfortably and then some.
Right.
And of course, on our estate side, most of our home sites are wider, deeper than what you're going to find pretty much anywhere else in Avenir.
Okay. And then where are we starting out in price? Like where we get started and where can you go to?
Well, we start out somewhere in the $699.99. That's our base price.
Okay.
So what I tell folks is when you add things like lot premiums and upgrades, you're probably more like in the 730s.
Okay.
But that doesn't account for things like some of the incentives that we have from time to time. That can save you a lot of money, both on price of the lot, price of upgrades, but also things like incentive money that we pay if you use our lender for financing as well.
Correct.
Yes.
That's pretty much with Pulte and DiVosta.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then HOA. What's the
Yes.
HOA cover here?
So that's a great question, because not all HOAs are cover everything on a home site. Here in Avenir, we do. So our HOA fee is $336 a month.
Okay.
But with that, you're getting not only common area maintenance, et cetera, for our community, but also maintenance on your lawn. So sprinkler maintenance, lawn maintenance, mulching, right? All the trees and bushes that we install, which is quite robust out here for Avondale is all included in that maintenance.
Okay, and then the clubhouse. You're using the shared clubhouse, correct?
We're using a beautiful shared clubhouse that has tennis
just has
courts,
everything,
pickleball, it's got a gym, it's got everything you would want, even a commercial kitchen.
Right,
Yeah.
it's absolutely beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Delivery of homes. So
Yes.
you have some homes that are available now.
Yes.
and-
Yes, so we do have right now several inventory homes that are available for quick delivery. Some other ones that'll take a little longer, maybe into next year, but some gorgeous homes right now available. We can get some really good opportunity to save money. Aside from that, we can also build a home for you in about 10 to 11 months.
Okay.
We have some gorgeous home sites. In fact, a few others that I may want to show you later that back up to a conservation area.
Okay.
So it's quite unique. You won't find that really anywhere else in Avenir, where you have a lake view and then conservation, essentially no neighbor.
Right.
Pretty beautiful. Just a handful left on the estate side, so I would hurry in for those. And then we just started opening some on the classic series side, and we started selling those. So it's just really exciting.
Right. Great.
Yeah.
Anything else that you think you should add?
I mean, aside from all that is the way we build our homes. So at DiVosta, we're known for the quality of construction. There are certain things that we offer that other builders just can't. One big one is a water intrusion warranty
Right,
for
which
5
is
years,
huge.
which is fantastic. We can only offer that because we take extra steps above and beyond what's required by code.
Right.
So people love that. That's why they follow us around, and we have a great following.
Right. It's literally the best warranty in the home business
for
right
sure.
now, by far.
By far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a great warranty. Well, listen, if you're interested in learning more about the community, we're going to give you a tour of this beautiful model we're in right now. But if you're interested in learning anything else about the community or coming out and seeing the community, reach out to me, Lee Brickey. My information's right there on the screen. I'll set up an appointment with Alex. We can do a Zoom call. We can come out together and view the neighborhood and the community. It's absolutely gorgeous here. I want to thank you again for meeting
Lee.
with me.
My pleasure.
You don't have to miss him because we use the same barber. So, so don't go anywhere, and we will show you this beautiful model we're in. So let's start the tour of this beautiful Stellar model right here in the kitchen. This is a great model. This home is 2,500 square foot, just a little under. It is 3 bedrooms, 4 baths. The 4th bath is a cabana bath off the pool, which makes it great if you have a pool. You have a den area in this home, which is a beautiful den, but could be another bedroom. So if you needed a 4th bedroom, you can make that into a bedroom or just leave it in a den or put doors on it and make it an office. One of the bedrooms in the front of the house across from the den, that is a ensuite bedroom, so great for guests coming over. And we'll go take a look at the other bedrooms in a moment, but before we do, let's take a look at this kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. One of the things I love about DiVosta is that they have a ton of upgrades. This model right here, the way it's upgraded right now with the pool, you're probably sitting around 1.4 million, maybe a little less, but it's a beautiful home. You can notice that the quartz countertops have the blue going through them. These are wood cabinets, soft closed doors. You can see how they put the upper cabinets all the way to the ceiling almost with the glass. That's an upgrade. You have a beautiful gold faucet here with a huge sink. Another thing about this kitchen is the appliances. This is a gas community, so you're gonna have a gas oven, gas stove. Here you have an oven underneath the gas range, and then you also have a secondary gas oven too, and then the microwave above that. Dual ovens are absolutely amazing. I have them in my home, love it. Another thing that I love about the way DiVosta did this is you have these outlets on the island here, and then all the way around the island you have cabinetry again. So lots of storage in this kitchen, beautiful kitchen. Right off the kitchen, we have the dining room area, plenty big for an 8-top table, overlooking the pool area, big glass everywhere. And talking about glass, we've got these huge sliders. These sliders are amazing. These are the corner sliders. They open up completely, so it opens the whole house up to the pool deck. Love this, it's amazing. But let's take a look at this living room area. It's absolutely phenomenal. Huge area right off the kitchen. I love how the kitchen's center of the house. It just makes the whole room flow together. Beautiful area for friends and family or hang out watching TV. So it's a great home for entertaining. The great thing about this house is the split floor plan. So all of your bedrooms, other than your master, are in the front of the house with the den. And then down this hall here, at the end of the hall, you have a third bedroom, which is absolutely completely private. Bathroom across from that, and then the laundry room. And then in the laundry room, you have a mud room coming in from the 3-car garage, which makes it really great to just drop all your stuff right there and not track everything into the house. Let's go take a look at this master bedroom now because it's really, really amazing. In the master bedroom, you have tons of light coming off of this window. You can look over into the pool deck. Then you have a big master bedroom, plenty of room for all your furniture, king size bed, huge master bath, double sinks with a huge shower and a really large master closet. So lots of room, lots of closet space in this house. I just think this is a wonderful home. Let's go out and take a look at this pool deck though, because that is something that's really special. Now, we talked about these corner sliders earlier, but this is what it looks like when these corner sliders are open. It's fantastic. Step out on the deck. These are all impact glass. All the glass in this house, by the way, is impact glass. But these sliders just open this whole patio up to the house. And I think it's awesome for entertaining or just hanging out with your loved ones and just enjoying your outdoor life here in Florida with these huge sliders open. So it's absolutely amazing. Beautiful pool, beautiful screen enclosure, right on the lake, gorgeous house. Listen, if you're interested in the best value in Avenir, you're interested in buying an Avenir, you're trying to find something in Palm Beach County for under $1 million with a beautiful community, great clubhouse, I gotta tell you, you gotta take a look at this community. You gotta come out and meet with Alex and take a look. So listen, if you're interested in Avenir, if you're interested in the DiVosta community, for sure, reach out to me, Lee Brickey. My information's right there on the screen. Love to talk to you, give you any more information than you need. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and slap that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our real estate tips and tours. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up and like this video. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you in the next video.